Today, Nathaniel and I are preparing duck with cherries. Enjoy. Hey Nathaniel, how are you doing?
Good, thank you, yeah.
I'm okay, thank you very much. Today we're going to do something very, very special. We're going to do some duck breasts in a black cherry sauce. And we're going to do some gratin, potato gratin, which is very finely sliced potatoes in cream and cheese, and then we put them in the oven.
Yeah.
So first of all, you've peeled this lot of potatoes. Amazing. I'm impressed. What are we going to do next? We're going to slice them very finely. I brought a small mandolin. It's not a musical instrument, it's just something to cut stuff with. Right, so this is the mandolin. It's one of the most dangerous instruments in the kitchen, but you have to have like the guard just to make sure that you don't cut yourself, because that's very, very sharp. As long as you're careful, it's quite easy. Just hold it like that, hold it tight, like hard against the surface. Yeah, take your time, don't worry. It's not a race. That's it, see, you're down to the bottom. That's perfect, we've cracked it. You're gonna do the lot, and then I'll show you how to cook them, okay?
Okay.
You've done a fantastic job there. Have you done this job before?
No.
Watch your fingers, okay, that's very sharp. So, we have a bit of butter, a bit of milk. We're doing it the cowboy way. Takes a lot less time. So we've got a bit of butter, milk, tiny bit of nutmeg, just a pinch of nutmeg, and a clove of garlic. And then we'll put the potatoes in. So the sliced potatoes go in. Give them a stir, just to cover them. So we've got potatoes, butter, milk, bit of salt, bit of nutmeg, some black pepper, and just keep an eye on it. All we're doing is just trying to cook the potatoes slightly. Okay, we've got a lid. Just give it about 2-3 minutes maximum, and then we put in the oven. The potatoes are like blanching nicely, like parboiling in the milk. So we add some cream to them. So the Parmesan cheese. A couple of spoonfuls of Parmesan cheese. Mix well. Try to lay them flat nicely. There we are. Just put a tiny sprinkle of thyme. Okay, and then tin foil in the oven for about 45 minutes. Okie doke. What a guy, he's even got a timer on. This is a professional man. Have you started it?
Yeah.
Nathaniel, we have the duck breast now.
Yeah.
The skin needs to be scored
Yeah.
very lightly. Can you see?
Yeah.
All I'm doing is just running, I'm not pressing or anything like that. Just running the knife on the skin, and that helps draw the fat off the duck and make it very, very crispy. Okay, so we do like diamond shape. Okay, so can you see?
Yeah.
As close as possible. Remember, place the knife first and then as close as possible. The closer they are, the crispier the duck will be. Alright, you're flying. I'm going to start making the sauce for the duck. We're going to do it the easy way. So you have some melted butter. Then we add a bit of flour. There you are. We brown the flour. This is some chicken stock. The juice of one orange. And now some cherry juice. Red wine. Tiny bit of salt. A bit of sugar. And leave it to thicken. We'll finish it off with a bit more wine. You're not gonna get drunk, don't worry, the alcohol will come off. And the cherries, we'll put half the cherries now.
Yeah.
And half just before we serve.
Okay.
Okay, that's the job. A bit of sugar. That's it.
Perfect.
Absolutely. Now, the pan, yeah, is hot. So, we do the duck skin side down.
Yeah.
Okay. We leave it alone. You will see so much fat coming off the skin, and that's why we don't put any fat to fry the duck. So they've been, how long did you put them in?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. Yep. Can you see, can you feel that?
Yeah.
So easy, it goes down very easy. So all we need to do is now put the potatoes back in the oven to brown them. Now that, can you see the duck is nice and crispy at the bottom?
Yeah.
On the skin side. We turn it over. The duck is ready now. We need to put it on a plate. Just leave it to rest. Oops. Looks nice, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Have you had duck before?
I haven't now.
Oh, fantastic. This is going to be a revelation. Piece of the gratin. Okay. Lovely. Lovely. Okay. Now the duck has rested. Okay. Nice. And what we do is slice it like that.
Yeah.
Okay. On the plate, we fan it.
Yeah.
A few green beans. Bit of cabbage, braised cabbage, and then our cherry sauce. Lots of cherries. And this is duck with cherries. Easy.
That's it.
Was okay, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Not too hard to prepare. Right, Nathaniel, we have some duck with cherries. Right, go on. Any good? Potatoes, what do you think? I think we made enough potatoes for an army. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more videos.